Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Reebelo versus Back Market. So Reebelo is a global marketplace for refurbished electronics, offering smartphones, laptops, tablets, and more with a focus on affordability and sustainability. Back Market, on the other hand, is a French-based online marketplace specializing in refurbished electronics. Partnering with certified refurbishers is to ensure quality and reliability. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Reebelo here. So Reebelo has a competitive pricing on a variety of devices. It offers warranties and return policies and emphasizes eco-friendly practices. Now the cons of it is that customer service experiences can be inconsistent since it is global, and quality may vary depending on the third-party seller. Now let's head it over to Back Market and discuss their pros and cons. And the pros of it is that they have a wide selection of devices across various categories. They have standardized grading system for product conditions, and they have a strong emphasis on sustainability and reducing electronic waste. Now, the cons of it is that some users report receiving devices with issues despite high condition ratings, and customer service response times can vary. Now, which one is right for you? So, both Reebelo and Back Market offers platforms for purchasing refurbished electronics with a focus on sustainability. However, Reebelo may appeal to those seeking competitive prices, while Back Market provides a broader selection with standardized grading. However, as experiences can vary based on third-party sellers, it is advisable to research individual sellers and reviews before making a purchase. So both of these are good. It all depends on the seller that are selling the electronics themselves. So yeah, before buying, you should do your research before buying on any of them. And that is it. That is my review on Reebelo versus Back Market. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.